Everyone's talking about ChatGPT online, and it's no surprise why. Suddenly, making money on the internet feels super easy. If you're not exploring this trend, you might be missing out big time. I'm thrilled to share the top 5 ways you can earn cash with ChatGPT. Believe it or not, with just a few clicks, you could be making $30, $50, $100, or even $500 every day with hardly any work. So you'll want to stick around for the whole video. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a game changer in AI technology. This smart chatbot can whip up text based on your prompts in a way that's pretty impressive. Need a quick essay or a book summary? ChatGPT has got your back with its stunning features. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine you're making $10,000 every month, not just in your dreams, but for real. In this channel, I talk about different ways to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month quickly and without spending much, then you need my 7 steps to 6-figure blueprint. I've put all my years of experience into a simple, step-by-step guide. This guide is your key to reaching that $10,000 goal. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off, when you visit chat.openai.com and sign in, you'll find it super easy to use. This is where the magic happens. Let's give it a go. If we ask, can you summarize the atomic habits? ChatGPT comes through with a detailed answer in no time. But wait, there's more. Let's challenge it a bit by asking for the top 3 ideas from the book. And voila, in just a short time, we get a clear and well-organized response without any need for digging around. I think ChatGPT might just be the next big thing, kind of like a new Google. Do you agree? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. First method, writing articles. Picture this, you need to write an article about making money online. Instead of spending hours on research and writing, just use ChatGPT. Talk about what the article should cover and lead the conversation to the main points. The more specific you are, the better the outcome. Second method, creating brand names. Looking for a fun name for a new toy brand? Ask ChatGPT for some creative suggestions. Take these ideas and mix them with your own creativity to come up with the perfect name. Finding clients. Where do you get people interested in what you've got? 2 main ways. First, check out freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and others. They're great for meeting new clients, or set up your own website and attract clients through different strategies like ads. Third method, translation services. Need something translated fast? Give the text to ChatGPT, tell it which language you need, and boom, you get a translation that's ready to go. Fourth method, writing product descriptions. Say you need to write a great description for something on Amazon. ChatGPT makes it easy. Start with the product details, ask for a certain format like bullet points with features and benefits, and maybe a persuasive tone. ChatGPT will handle it, giving you a great description quickly. Fifth method, video script. Lots of people on Fiverr are making money by writing video scripts. Seeing their thousands of positive reviews shows there's a big demand. With ChatGPT, coming up with scripts is a piece of cake. Guide it towards script writing, finalize the script, and then it's time to earn. These ideas are just the beginning. Get creative, and you can use ChatGPT for even more services. If you're curious about more ways to make money with ChatGPT, drop a comment. Like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates.